Hi guys, SaVlog here, and I'm here at the exact same position as last year. The 8th of December 2021, I made my first video on this channel, and yeah, it is very different than last time. No snow, very sunny outside, and the pandemic restrictions are away, so I wanted to show you the Christmas market in full beauty, and without the GoPro this time, but with a few drone shots I could make with permission of the city, so I'm glad to show you that. Wonderful. And yeah, let's visit a good old friend of the other video of Helfenstein. You can check it out here. She has her own little house here on that Christmas market. We will visit her now and see what she got in her menu. So, see you there. And you can see how crowded this is now. Like, it was so empty at the restrictions, of course it was. But look at it. At the moment it's all closed, but we go tomorrow at daytime, so you can see it in full beauty. When there's the whole market around it, it's even better. Like, it's looking very great. As you can see, it's very crowded here, but very beautiful with all the decoration. 1 year ago it was snow. No snow this year. With snow, it would be very beautiful. Imagine this all with snow. It would add so much to it. But yeah, it goes all the way down, these little boxes. But the catch of our whole adventure now is I want to go back the same way I did last year. And there is it in full beauty. When it's empty it's nice, but when it's crowded there's more life, more Christmas feeling on it. And yeah, I think, yeah, it's nice. What can I say? So there you can see it's all wonderful. Christmas atmosphere is on top. It's more alive, everything. Ah, this gives specific vibes. Ta-da! We are back. And there's a lot of things going on in this. Yeah, last year this was frozen. And I checked it with a little... Nothing frozen, no snow. That's the only part which is not as beautiful as last time. I think last time there was a alarm going on in the background. This time no alarm. But we're coming to the end of the last video and of this video. And yeah, it was funny to see it all different. It's a weird feeling. It's like a time skip. And we need a word of the video. And I think it will be Merry Christmas. Or Frohe Weihnachten in German. Or in Italian, Buon Natale. So I think this time I won't finish it with the long walk because we got no snow, so it's nothing special to the park. But I will just show you some clips of the beautiful market. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Bye bye. See you next time.